Hello and welcome to English class. Dear students, today we are going to solve Bridge Course Post Test Class 3 Subject English, and this question paper is having the marks 15. Question number 1, listen and do. यहाँ हमें क्या करना है? सुनना है और उसे करके बताना है. Come here. Take a paper. Fold it. Open it. Go back. Question number 2. Listen and answer the questions. यहाँ आपको क्या करना है? यहाँ पिक्चर्स दी गई है. इसको देखकर आपको बताना है कि कैट कहाँ है. देखिए यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन इज गिवन हियर. वेयर इज द कैट? कैट कहाँ है? Where is the cat? Cat is on the box. Where is the cat? Cat is in the box. Where is the cat? Cat is above the box. Where is the cat? Cat is behind the box. Where is the cat? Cat is between the boxes. Between the boxes. Where is the cat? Cat is in front of. Question number 3. Circle the rhyming words. My dear students, here we have to circle the rhyming words. Rhyming words किसे कहते हैं? That ends with the same sound. जिसके आखिर में एक जैसी आवाज आती है. Okay, now see here. Mat, pat, sat. Okay, see like this. Mat, pat, sat. These are the rhyming words. Number 2. Main, pain, ten. Number 3. Pin, win, tin. Number 4. Mug, rug, bug. Number 5. Box, fox, ox. Question number 4. Write the name of the picture in 4 lines. यहाँ हमें क्या करना है? 4 lines में इन pictures के name लिखना है. Now let's start. First picture is cup. So we will write here cup. C-U-P. Cup. Next picture fan. So we will write fan here. F-A-N. Fan. Box. This is box. So we will write here the spelling of box. B-O-X. Box. Hen. H-E-N. N. Hen. What's this? It's a bus. So we will write here bus. B-U-S. Bus. Question number 5. Count and write the number. यहाँ हमें क्या करना है? काउंट करके नंबर लिखना है, गिनना है. ओके, नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट इट. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. How many bananas are here? 18. So we will write here 18. Okay, now we will solve question number 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. 19 tomatoes. So we will write here number 19. Question number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 apples. So we will write here 16. Number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 carrots. So we will write here the number 17 like this. Number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many cucumbers are here? 15. So we will write here number 15. Okay, my dear students, in this way we have solved post test. Take care and be happy. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video.